Selamat pagi semuanya, good morning. Yang saya hormati dan banggakan, sahabat saya Bapak Anies Baswedan, MMA Global Indonesia Board members, and all distinguished ladies and gentlemen. So welcome to our annual event. So it's a pleasure to be here. So thank you for being here in the morning, as Santi mentioned. As Santi just mentioned also just now, that I have been appointed as the new chairperson for MMA Global Indonesia. Jujur saya pun juga sebenarnya unprepared, kaget. Jadi mohon maaf kalau saya pun juga terkesan dadakan ini, ditunjuk sebagai chairperson yang baru, menggantikan Ibu Ira yang sebelumnya menjabat sebagai chairwoman. So it's a truly honor and truly an excitement for me to have this new role. So first of all, thank you for the MMA Global Indonesia Board of Directors for the trust that is put on me. So clearly this is something that I would like to reach out to every single one of you, together as a community, how we can build the capabilities of Indonesians overall to be able to implement marketing ideation, marketing execution to the next level. So we are hoping that Indonesia will be put on the map because we believe that we have a great ideation, great creativities, great capabilities to put things together, and the fact that Indonesia clearly is one of the largest market in Asia will enable us to do much more experimentation, much more meaningful impact to whatever that we're doing here to represent our brands to take it to the next level. So nowadays we are entering the end of the year. We are going soon to embrace 2025. So I'm sure that the complexity is going to be even more. There are so many new things surrounding us. AI, for sure, will still be the center core of our attention. Since last year, actually, MMA Global Indonesia has put that on our map. So we believe that for the foreseeable futures, AI will continue to be one of the main factors that we need to be not just aware, but embrace it on our day-to-day marketing activities. So we are hoping by the thought leader exchange of ideas that we are doing today and the days to come, we will be able to get the knowledge, we will be able to absorb some inspiration to apply some of those best practices within our organization. I'm also excited that today will represent the Smarties Annual Award, and today clearly put a record-breaking 130 companies participated with 799 entries. So that's all record-breaking. So thank you so much for your participation. So congratulations to the winner that will be announced tonight. But that is an idea that I'm super excited. As I mentioned earlier, I wish that later on, through this kind of awards, we will give aspiration to people to participate more. And we would like to put this ideation not just for Indonesia, but also hoping this become the best practice that other countries can also learn from us. I'm also excited that today there will be a full lineup of distinguished speakers and panelists. So we hope that we can also learn a lot of ideation, a lot of experience that we can get along the way also. So thank you for spending time with us. So hopefully that you have a great and fruitful day today. Thank you.
Thank you, Pak Sutanto, for the insightful speech and for sharing with us as the newly appointed chairperson of MMA Indonesia. And